I was sent this 3-tiered organizer to try out, and it is very handy to have because you can use it in so many different ways all around your house. You can use it in your bathroom to store your cosmetics and beauty products and everything that you need handy there on your counter, but you keep it corralled so it looks a little nicer and a little bit more organized. You can also use it in your laundry room to keep your detergent and dryer sheets and dryer balls nice and handy so that everything is there and accessible for you to use. And it's useful in a kitchen too, because what it does is it creates vertical storage and it creates shelves where you otherwise wouldn't have had that, and you're now utilizing some wasted space. You can also use it in an office on a desk to keep all of your supplies organized. This one didn't require any assembly. It came fully built, and I like that it has a really sleek design. There are no screws showing or anything, and I like how the bottom is also like level with the bottom shelf. It does have little pads on the bottom. Since it is made of metal, that'll just kind of help protect any surface that you put it on, but it is definitely very well made and handy to have around, so I highly recommend it.